We moved to Uluwatu in the south area of Bali, Indonesia. This place is amazing, full of energy and upbeat with a beautiful beach for swimming and surfing. We love Suluban Beach as you can enjoy pure nature here with cliffs, ocean shore and incredible sunset views from local warungs. The beach is sandy but also has rocks, so swimming in the rock pools feels like being in a spa bathing. The water is quite warm here, so staying all afternoon here is fine. We took our snorkeling goggles and then I found guitar capo, scorpionfish and sea snake. So watch out there in the water. It's been a fun day exploring and enjoying the beach with food at the warungs later on. Love this place. The beach is 10 minutes walk through the incredible bridge and forest below it. At night, Uluwatu gets alive with all the night sounds of animals. It is fine to sleep, but as soon as you get out in front of the door, wow, there is a nature music orchestra. All the frogs and other animals just sing and sing for hours. I recorded these sounds and included in my song on album Follow the Sun.
Hi there, I wrote a new song, Ocean Never Sleeps. Here it is. It's from Uluwatu.
Ocean never sleeps. Ocean never sleeps. When comes a big swell, then show you the deep. Ocean never sleeps. Ocean never sleeps. Low tide you enter through the caves of relief. Morning at the beach, watching horizon sandy feet. Surfers jump through the waves, gliders fly in the air. From rock to rock, water balances the strength. At warung you find in those eyes humble friend. Papaya Uluwatu, taste with summer. Monkey watch, surfing catch. Fresh water brings air. Ocean never sleeps. Ocean never sleeps. When comes a big swell, then show you the deep. Ocean never sleeps. Ocean never sleeps. Low tide you enter through the caves of relief. Ocean. I love preparing a fruit breakfast full of vitamins and proteins. With this garden view, it's such a way of self-care, self-improvement. I love Bali. I love traveling to those kind of places, eating this food and starting at my day that feels good, have a good attitude, good motivation for a day, just good vibes. Uluwatu is so exciting. I enjoy the nature, surfing, local community, comfortable Bali villa, great local food in warungs, Uluwatu temple nearby, many beach choices. It is so close distance to Padang Padang Beach, Dreamland, Nyang Nyang Beach, Melasti. I feel they're so relaxed, authentic me here, just like at home. I could live here. Going to Uluwatu temple was definitely a spiritual experience combined with appreciation for nature, culture, creative skills of performance. Great night out with my partner, as well as good food just next door. You can just enjoy the nature, which is amazing. From the top of the temple, you can see the beaches around, secluded beaches that you probably have to go by boat. So we can see the vastness of the perspective of the ocean. On each side of the temple there is a beach, crashing waves, and the natural beauty of greenness and flowers. Be careful with monkeys. You can go around the temple. You cannot enter the temple part in which people pray out of respect to their culture. You can go for a walk around the cliff. It's breathtaking. It's beautiful. It gives a relief. It feels very spiritual. I do feel in such a peaceful place where you can meditate, pray, and have a reflection for yourself. Everyone sat down around 1 hour before, so if you want to explore, you should come at least 2 hours before the show starts. We joined special celebration at Uluwatu temple. There was Ramayana in a theatrical performance with amazing costumes, with acting, with fire. We could see in a way of a ritual theater. We really enjoyed being outside in a temple. The performance started at sunset, so the nature was included in this show. So going to Uluwatu temple, give respect with your clothes. So wear a sarong, respect the monkeys, respect the performance, so you come on time. So we walked around absorbing this energy in nature. There is some great gardens that you walk through at the beginning as well. They give the sarong, so if you don't have one, you will be given one, but make sure you cover yourself with it. I think the combination of nature and spirituality again gives this wholeness, space of unity, unifying these values of beauty, quality, and peacefulness, healthiness. So it's definitely something I would recommend to do while being in Uluwatu. You were sat at the amphitheater, and as many tourists, you wait for the show to start. There is an information about the show, so you know exactly what happens at each moment. The history of Ramayana, you basically learn at the spot everything. It is just amazing how fascinating the culture is, how great the costumes are, thought through the movements are, and stamina to basically repeat these Quetzalcoatl words, and all happening while the nature just transforms from a daytime to a sunset to an evening. It's a beautiful experience that is a very visceral experience. You fear, you're happy, you laugh, you respect, and just love the gamelan and dance in Balinese culture. At the end of the show, there was fire performed. The monkey was surrounded by the fire. It was a bit scary. It was such a powerful way of showing the fire as burning, as closing, transformative energy, strong force that you just cannot compete with, that you cannot deny. Luckily, everyone survived and we could take a picture with the red monkey. Yay! Inside the museum, we encountered great quality exhibition of Balinese Hindu gods represented in small sculptures and paintings. This artwork well represented the character and the style of the deities, with intricate work of body language and face expressions, authentic costumes, colors, and movement. Some really scary. There was also a lot of information about the process of building giant garuda and Vishnu sculpture that sits on the top of the museum. From the museum, we walked through the forest-filled garden towards outdoor amphitheater where you can come for live Ramayana show, a live performance, and we encountered another giant bust of Vishnu. It's so enormous that you can feel the deity's presence in the air. Nice walking in the nature while listening traditional music around. You can also hire bicycle or electric scooter there and ride around. We gave respects to goddess Lakshmi by the fountain and departed following giant snake handrail. There also was a little stage with live performance that happens every hour, so we had fun and enjoy watching the fascinating movement while listening to gamelan. At the end, we entered restaurant for a complimentary drink, orange juice, and peeked to another perspective of the island, this time towards Jimbaran on the left and Sanur to the right. Great day out, even the rain, learning local customs, art practices, history and rituals. Totally recommend for a relaxing and inspiring day in Uluwatu. Dreamland Beach, Paradise Beach in the land of Bali. You arrived at the top of the cliff from which you can see a vast perspective and the beach, blue turquoise ocean. The driver drops you down to the beach and so we entered the beach. Wow! Huge waves, white sand, cliffs. Lots of surfers, swimmers, people on the beach. Wow, so great! Beautiful place. It was a low tide, so we couldn't walk too much to the left side towards Binging Beach, but we could see it in the distance. Found a temple. There was a female deity in there. Could that be the goddess of ocean? I love the combination of ocean and its powerful nature with spirituality. Makes me feel as if everything hard in the world you can overcome a stable, strong force of healing water.